Uh-oh.
Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. Baking. Hey guys, so today we are making dinner. And guess what we'll do? We'll do a pork steak from the pork neck and some potatoes. So steak and potatoes. There we go. Let's see how it looks like, and after that I'll tell you how to do it. It's really simple. It will take you like 2 minutes to prepare. And yeah, quick tips how to make quick food with Joe. Let's get into it. Let's go. And there we go. The food is done. Potatoes, oven baked. And of course the pork neck steak. It took me about 30 minutes to make this, and now I'll tell you how to do it. And yeah, the recipe is pretty simple. You cut the steak, you decide on the thickness. Yeah. First you put the non-sticky paper on your pan before you put it into the oven. Okay. After we have that, we have prepared our field of playing ground, and after that, yeah, you get your pork neck steak. In my case, I bought 1 kilo of them because I'll be probably eating them whole week. So then you decide on the thickness. I think about this thick is okay. And yeah, 1, 2, 3. You decide how many. Put them on that baking paper, and then you take the potatoes. I usually cut the potatoes like this, like 4 slices, and then you cut them in half, so you get from 1 potato about 8 slices of potato. For the remaining tray, you then place potato. Make sure they're not touching each other, otherwise, yeah, they might get stuck together. Okay. After we made all this, we have our pork steaks on the platter. We have all of our potatoes there on the platter. Then we use salt. So you salt everything, yeah. And after that, just use some vegetable oil, or if you have more money, use olive oil, and just pour it all over the place, yeah. No, not too much oil, okay, guys? We're trying to live healthy now. So yeah, after you've done that, you place it into the oven. I use the ventilator, the fan option in my oven, and I put it up to 200 to 220 degrees Celsius, and you just leave it in the oven for half an hour. Then you can do whatever you want. You come back after half hour, and your food is ready. And yeah, as you've seen in the beginning, that was my food. But let me show you again, so you can decide if it's worth doing, you know. So little effort, guys, so little effort. In 2 minutes you can bake this, you know. 2 minutes. Let me show you. There we go. This was made in 2 minutes, guys. Well, 2 minutes that I have to work, you know. Otherwise I baked it for half an hour. And that's it. If you don't like the crunchiness of the potatoes, you can bake it for 25 minutes and they will not be as black as they are now, you know. So yeah, now we'll put it on the plate, add some mustard, and our dish will be done, you know, guys. It will be done. And this is really easy recipe to do, and believe me, the food is so good. Now, what do we do after that? I like to first cut up the steak. We put the steak from the oven, yeah, and we just cut it up on little pieces, or however you like it. Then we'll add the potatoes, and in the end we'll add the mustard, guys. Yeah. So yeah, there we go. Cutting up the steak. I like to use the big knife. One more cut. So first you cut it into strips, and then you cut it into cubes. That's what I like to do. Yeah, it's so soft it comes apart by itself, see? So there we go, there we go, there we go. The last one. I want a little more. And there we go. That's the steak, guys. Now we pick one by one potatoes, or even two. You put them on the tray, I mean on your plate. There we go. There we go. Now, if you haven't salted before, this is the time where you can add more salt. I'm leaving this place empty for the mustard. One more, a little potato. There we go, the last one. And after that, we go for the mustard, guys. We have the mustard here. Yeah, voila. There we go, mustard. So we add a little mustard that we will use with the dish. And that's basically all the work that you have to do with this, guys. And there we go. The final product. And yeah, guys, the final thing left to do is to taste it. So my mustard infected spoon, see, still here with a piece of pork neck steak. So so good, so good. Now I also like to dip my potatoes inside the mustard. It's very good. And look, guys, I didn't peel the potatoes, you see. If you get like the fresh potatoes, you don't have to peel them. It's totally okay to eat the outer lining, yeah. The only thing you have to do is wash them before you cut them up, yeah. Oh. So crunchy. So good. Yummy, yummy. One more. Amazing, guys. Okay, the meat perfectly done with zero effort. Zero effort. Let's put some mustard on it. So soft, so soft. Believe me, guys, pork neck is one of the best meats you can get out of the king of animals I call pig. And then mustard just makes it all better. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is what I call food orgasms. Let's go for the meat again. See the meat? It's so soft. So tasty. Okay. Remember, guys, pork neck Soft, juicy, everything. And the fries are also crunchy. Very, very good. Big Joe approves. And if you don't believe me, ask the white ghost. Do you want a snack, Mr. Hachiko? Unfortunately, he's blind, so he doesn't see, but let's give him one. Puchas. There you go. What's your judgment? He wants more. Look at those eyes. He wants more. So yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Cook with Joe. Pork neck.
Please subscribe.
With baked oven fries. Let's call them potatoes. Oh yeah. And the beauty of it takes 2 minutes to prepare. You just have to cut things up. Put a little salt. Put a little oil on top of it. And that's it. You just shove it into the oven and wait for half an hour. Then you take it out and your food is ready. How difficult can that be? Come on. Even if you're not a cook, it's so easy. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Be sure to press a like, share, subscribe. Put me the thoughts down in the comments. How would you make this dinner better with as little effort as possible? Remember that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Until then, Big Joe out. Take care, guys.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.